I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. What's my crime? 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 What's my crime?
What started as a simple seatbelt stop quickly went sideways. Today we're looking at a simple traffic stop that escalated into a full-blown mental health crisis, resisting arrest, and battery on an officer. This is one for the books. Let's get into it.
Hello, good afternoon. Hi, I'm Officer Stanley, Cocoa Beach Police Department.
Hi.
Hey, the reason for the stop is I had reasonable suspicion your passenger might not be seat belted in. So that was the reason for the stop, okay?
Okay.
Do you have a driver's license for me?
I do. It's in the back seat in my purse. That's
Okay, no, you can just stay here. Are you the registered owner of the vehicle?
I am not.
What's he reaching for?
Nothing on my purse.
Okay, I wanted to make sure.
This is
Okay.
he's the registered owner of the vehicle. He has not slept in probably at least 24 hours.
Okay, I understand that, ma'am. You just have to understand I can't see through your tinted windows, okay?
Yeah, it's the
And so when he reached aggressively like that, I was concerned for your safety and mine, okay?
Wait a minute. What's he reaching for? That's a huge red flag, especially with those tinted windows. The officer is absolutely right to be concerned. And the driver is already giving excuses about him not sleeping for 24 hours. Mental health or not, any aggressive movement during a traffic stop immediately heightens the tension for officer safety.
You say he's not slept. Is that why he was unseatbelted?
He's wearing a seatbelt, just not a shirt.
Okay, but he was hanging out the window with no shoulder restraint on. So he probably put the seatbelt on when we pulled up.
I think he's had it on. He probably, I don't know, he might have been underneath it.
Yeah.
I was just trying to pay attention.
I understand. You're trying to be safe, and I get that. I understand that. Okay. Is he 18 years old?
He's over 18.
Over 18. I just have to ask because the statute depends who the ticket goes to. You understand what I mean?
Yes.
Okay. So, if that was the route we go, I'm not saying that's the way I'm going. Okay. Okay. But Miss, you're the registered owner, okay?
He's the registered.
Oh, he is. Okay, that's what I was trying to get at. All right, sit tight. Let me just check this out, okay? And I'll be right back with you. Stay in the car! Stay in the car! Stay in the car!
Okay, I will.
I won't ask you.
Nope. Stay in the car. That is a direct, lawful order. You absolutely cannot just step out during a traffic stop unless asked. This is the exact moment the stop shifts dramatically from a routine violation into a full-blown suspicious activity situation.
Twice!
I'm in the car. I'm in the car. What are you talking about?
42, keep an eye on the passenger. Possible signal 20.
10-4. He's the one we're looking for this morning.
I'm in the car.
Hey, sir, how you doing?
He just tried to get out of the car and I commanded him to stay, that's all.
Melissa, right?
Yeah.
I can't. Hang on one second. What was that? I'm sorry.
It's okay. No, he wants to record it. I was just volunteering at Matthew's Cocoa.
I was on the phone with you earlier.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm the one who called to make sure that you were okay.
Yeah, I'm driving because he hasn't slept in a while.
Like 24 hours.
At least.
And I do not need to be behind the wheel. I can't be.
Okay. So, Melissa,
If I want to be, I can.
I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle because I need to speak with you, okay?
Okay.
I can get in the front seat.
I was just volunteering.
You can stay where you are, sir.
In the front seat, in my own car, in my own church. This is actually a church.
No.
This is a church.
27, you're going to want
Just
to head
so you
over
know,
here.
this is a church.
Okay.
This car is a church.
Okay. But I need to speak with
It's a
her.
non-profit church.
And I need you to stay in the car, okay?
Well,
Thank you, sir.
driver's seat, okay?
Go ahead.
Melissa, can you come over here?
It's your safety.
He just jumped in the driver's seat.
Okay.
It's all right.
Melissa, seriously, are you okay?
I am okay. He is having probably another manic episode.
Step out of the vehicle for me, please, sir. Turn the vehicle off before you do so.
Whoa! Did you see that? He full-on slid over and locked the door. That is an immediate major escalation. The second he's in the driver's seat and locking up, it's no longer about a seatbelt. It's about preventing a flight risk or worse. This is a completely different ballgame now.
He's locking himself in the vehicle.
This escalates when he feels threatened or he gets upset. That's why I was just trying to get him home.
I need you to step out of the vehicle.
What's my crime?
I need you to step out of the vehicle, sir.
What's my crime?
Sir,
What's my crime?
I'm
What's
Officer.
my crime?
I'm Officer
What's my crime?
Stanley. I need you to. Hey, get the window breaker.
Where you got it at?
Let me here. You want to just keep an eye, so he doesn't run us over.
I'm 27. We're probably about to break the window. Sean, open the door now.
We're going to try to talk him out of the car.
He's very escalated.
I understand.
What's my crime?
Resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Yet, then open the door now.
No, I'm not.
If we have to break this window, you're going to jail. Get out of the car now.
Sir,
I'm going to jail.
is there...
I have not.
Sir, you are now resisting a law enforcement officer.
I have not broken a law.
Is there anything I can say that would get you to get out of this car?
What is my crime?
He's asking, what's my crime, while actively resisting a direct, lawful order to exit the vehicle. The crime, sir, is resisting a law enforcement officer, which is now clearly being recorded on the body cam. This isn't a debate, it's a command, and non-compliance is adding more charges to the tab.
Is there anything I can say that would get you to get out of this car, sir? Will you just punch it?
Yep.
I'm going to break the window in 6 seconds. 5, 4. He won't get out. We've given him lawful multiple orders.
This is the Signal 20 guy from earlier. From down on South 2nd that we did a well-being check on her and him.
He was the passenger. The lawful stop was for seatbelt on the passenger. Yeah. When she got out to speak with this officer, he jumped in the the driver's seat.
Resisting.
He's already had to be told to get back in the car. I'm afraid he's either going to drive off or drive over us. That was the reason for getting him out of the car. All right, he is resisting that lawful order. That makes me feel a little better.
Yeah, well, the problem is he needs to get out of the car.
Out of the car.
Do you think she could talk him out, Bets, or would it be too dangerous?
Sean, open the door. Sarge, what are we doing?
Make sure he doesn't.
Yeah, we're keeping an eye.
I don't know if you want to pop it on that side to unlock the door.
Good call. Since that way he's sitting there. See if that back door's open just for grins.
No, it's locked.
Okay.
So pop it and unlock that door with a master. Do not reach for anything in that car. You will get shot.
Do you think she can talk him out?
I just don't want her to get hurt.
No, he's reaching for things in the car. Pop the window, unlock it, and I'm dragging him out.
The countdown is the final, non-negotiable warning. The officers have been patient. They tried to talk him out. They are now forced to use non-lethal means to gain compliance. They simply must get him out before he can put the car in drive and turn a minor incident into a high-speed pursuit.
Tell me, what is my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime?
That was the critical moment. The officers could not risk him reaching for a weapon inside that vehicle. Breaking the window and dragging him out is, ironically, the safest way to de-escalate the potential threat by immediately removing him from his position of power inside the car, end quote.
What's my crime?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
What's my crime?
Get out now.
What's my crime?
Get out.
What's my crime?
You're going to get
What's my
tased.
crime? What's
Get
my crime?
out
What's
now.
my crime? What's my crime? You. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting. What's my crime? 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 What's my crime?
Let go of my ankle.
What's my crime? What's my crime?
Turn over on your stomach.
What's my crime? 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 Turn over. What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime? Go ahead and chase me again.
Roll over on your stomach
What's
now.
my crime? What's
Come
my
this way,
crime?
Bets. We'll go this way.
What? What is my crime? Hey, Melissa, tape this. Fuck you. You! Why? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this to me? Why? Why are you doing this to me?
Turn over now.
Go ahead and tase me again.
Stop.
Go ahead and tase
Roll
me
over
again.
on your stomach.
Go ahead and
Roll over.
Go ahead. Go ahead and f***ing tase me again, bitch. Go ahead. Yeah. Use excessive force. Excessive force. Is that on? Is that on?
Get over.
Is that on? Go ahead and mace me. I don't care. What? Go ahead. Fuck you guys. Fuck you. What's my crime? What is my crime? Why do you think you can do this to me? Answer me.
Switch sides.
I have mace in my fucking eyes. And I still have my vape in my hand.
Put your arms behind your back.
There you go. There's one.
Stanley, I got it.
Hang on.
You got your cups?
Hang
the left one.
Hang on.
You got it.
There you go. I'm not.
Oh my God. He just kicked that officer in the groin. That is absolutely battery on a law enforcement officer. You cannot do that, period. The officer's composure here, given what just happened to him, is truly remarkable. But this is an outright felony assault.
This thing. What's my crime? What's my crime? What's my crime? Where are my Miranda rights?
Sit up on your butt.
No.
Roll over on your butt.
No.
My car's right
What
here.
is my crime?
Come on.
What is my crime?
We see.
I can't see anything.
Get in the car.
I can't see, bro.
We're gonna get some water in just a second.
You're right. You don't care about me.
All right, get in. Sit.
All you care about is your feelings.
Sit in the car.
Get in the car.
I can't see. Okay, well,
Sit in the car.
Sit down.
We'll get you wiped down.
Sit
Is it
down.
an SUV?
Yes.
Okay, bro. What the fuck?
Oh, fuck. Oh, don't open your eyes. Oh, don't open your eyes. F you!
16 Cocoa Beach, white male, 1015.
What happened with this guy?
He wouldn't get out. We had to pop the window and drag him out. And he started kicking me. And
Yeah, he kicked him a few times.
Okay.
now it's battery on a law enforcement officer.
The ticket was going to go to him, not her, so she's free to go.
Water! Oh, fuck. Water! Woo, fuck.
Let's get. Does anybody got a bottle of water? We can get water on his face.
Well, let me check.
Water!
Water, right?
Fuck.
We're gonna get you rinsed off here real quick, okay? But you gotta, if we open the door.
What is my crime?
Listen, we'll tell you, but if we open the door, you're gonna cooperate, right?
Yeah.
Because we gotta get you rinsed out.
Yeah, I'll f***ing cooperate. What?
Hey, come here.
Water! I was gonna say, do you have something to poke a hole in it?
Yeah, here, don't squeeze it or else it's going to go everywhere.
I've just drank all mine, so.
Water!
It's coming.
It's
All
coming.
right, and just squeeze it like a spray bottle.
Lean your head out, and I'm gonna water.
Little by little, all
Just
right?
let it soak.
And you gotta rapidly stick your eye.
Now, I'll get him med cleared before we go.
Yeah, he like crushed my f***ing balls. No, he grabbed them and squeezed on them.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Great, okay.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Keep blinking. It's not gonna get better. You gotta keep blinking.
All right, we're about to get you med cleared, and we'll get that. We'll get the doctors will get the rest out.
Yeah. All right.
All right, sit back in there.
No.
You got any more in there? Yeah, let me take it just in case.
Please, more water. More water, please.
I'm gonna tow this car. She's not the registered owner, and it's got a broken window now.
Want me to take care of it?
Yeah. Do you mind? Yeah. So, ma'am, you were the driver.
Yes.
You were not in violation of the law. Your passenger was. He's an adult, so you're free to go. I need to tell you that just so you know. You're welcome to stand and talk to our bosses as long as you want. I just legally wanted you to know you are free to go.
We gotta take some pictures of the car.
Well, yeah, Tow's coming to get it.
Toes coming to get the
Yeah, because we're not going to let her drive with a broken window. It's your call, boss. I mean, You want some more? I'll get it. All right, ready?
And no bells, please.
All right, let's go. We're going to the hospital, okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to go right away.
Melissa is clear. She was just the driver, and the initial ticket was going to the passenger. She handled the situation as best she could by giving the officers context about the manic episode, and now she is officially free to go. All right, guys, what an intense piece of footage. To started with a seatbelt, literally the most basic traffic stop you can imagine. But because of the passenger's initial erratic behavior, the driver's context that he hadn't slept for over 24 hours, and then the critical, dangerous moment where he slid into the driver's seat and locked the door, it went from 0 to 100 in seconds. The officers here showed immense restraint. They tried to talk him out. They gave him multiple, clear commands. You hear the officer giving a specific countdown before breaking the window. They were giving every chance to comply. But once he reached for something inside the car, they had no choice but to use that window break technique and extract him. And look what happened then. He fought them tooth and nail. The officer mentions he was kicked in the groin, which is a horrific act of violence against a public servant. This is no longer a simple, I don't agree with the police situation. This is an outright active assault. The final message we get from this video is so crucial. This man, Sean, was clearly in the throes of a serious mental health crisis, likely a manic episode. It's a tragedy that the police are so often the first responders to these crises, and they have to make split-second decisions based on potential threats. Unfortunately, his dangerous actions led to him being charged with 2 counts of battery on a peace officer and 2 counts of resisting/obstructing without violence. Those are serious felony charges that carry significant penalties. We can only hope that, as the video's narrator suggested, this arrest will be the first step in getting him the critical mental health treatment he desperately needs, because his behavior was dangerous to himself, the driver, and the responding officers. Drop a like if you found this breakdown helpful, and let me know in the comments below. Do you think the officers could have handled the extraction differently, or was this the only path they had left? I'll catch you guys in the next one.